Darwin frog, and it is discovered by Charles Darwin, classified as endangered species by IUCN. Darwin frog has an unusual method of brooding in which the male will facilitate development of its tadpole inside its vocal sac. This frog is found in Chile in Argentina, and its diet consists of detrivore, herbivore, carnivore invertebrates. Piratula acuminata, discovered on Sagar Island, part of ecological sensitive Sundarbans Delta. They are nocturnal. They do not weave webs, that means spider webs, and ambush prey with precision and speed without any traditionally seen spiders which weave webs. So they have 8 eyes arranged in 3 rows, and this discovery of wool spider and 4 wasp species are from West Bengal. New species of parasitoid wasps are found, and those species names are Idris Bayanor, Idris furvus, Idris hylas, and Longis capus. These wasps are primary egg parasitoids of jumping spiders and exhibit an unusual behavior that is known as gregarious parasitism, and where these multiple wasps emerge from a single spider egg sac. New frog from Meghalaya, and the uniqueness of this frog is that direct developing frogs by bypassing the free swimming tadpole stage. There is a normally the eggs will undergo free swimming tadpole stage, but this frog bypasses this kind of stages of development of frog. Instead of free swimming stage, it hatches from eggs as a froglets, or you can say miniature versions of adults directly, and it is recorded in the eastern West Khasi Hills. And this wide geographical range from southern and northeastern India to Nepal, extending through Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, southern China, and Vietnam, Cambodia, western Malaysia. Locusts, you might have seen in news that they're destroying crops in groups. So there is a possibility now that to manipulate pheromones released by locusts and to prevent them from swarming or engaging in a group behavior, which is very destructive for crops. So what is the role of pheromones here? Actually, pheromones are kind of communicating with each other by releasing pheromones. Mangrove genetic resources. To develop new saline tolerant crops is possible because we have seen that mangrove forest lives in a very saline conditions of water. So if you remove or take the gene of those mangrove plants and transfer them to rice and other crops, so that these crops become salinity tolerant plants. coral reefs. They can found in tropical destinations, right, around the world, and that includes Australia, Indonesia, Philippines, Papua New Guinea, Fiji, and Maldives. But recently there is a report regarding it. Corals in Lakshadweep archipelago have declined to half of what they were in 1998, result of repeated marine heat waves. Very important statement you have to remember. Now it's something interesting. LANTANA CAMARA. This plant is introduced as an ornamental plant, and what happened after that? They become invasive alien species in Himachal Pradesh. Now it is a threat to state's native biodiversity, right? This is something which is become a invasive alien species in a harmful manner, but not every time an alien species can harm biodiversity. If this plant is grown in some deserted area, it can be beneficial, the same alien species. EUPLATYPUS parallelus. Now it is a kind of beetle introduce pathogenic fungi into the tree and have been implicated in transmitting fusarium, the cause of wilt disease in southern Asia, and it is native to Central and South America, which is spread globally. Recently in news regarding this in Kerala side, regarding infecting rubber plants. Purple heron is a wide-ranging heron species, breeds in Africa, Central and Southern Europe, Southern and Eastern Palearctic. Here purple heron conservation status as least concern status. Dragonfly. New dragonfly species discovered in Kerala, and species breeds in small water pools in tree holes and exhibit strong dimorphism with males, and they exhibit unique shaped hamules and female displaying jet black bodies with yellow triangular spots. Here in image you can see yellow triangular spots. Diversity of grassland bird species. It is said to be recorded 43 grassland bird species across Kaziranga. Masked booby is a large sea bird. Very important to learn this. It is a sea bird considered to be least concern species by IUCN. Gecko. It's a new species of diurnal gecko. Diurnal means it is active in daytime, and it is recorded from Assam. Here new butterfly species in the Western Ghats named ZOGRAPHETUS MATHEWI. It is a kind of a skipper butterfly which is smaller in size than the regularly seen butterflies. Belong to the family Hesperidae. You can see in the image photo of ZOGRAPHETUS MATHEWI. This SAIGA antelope, the species of antelope, inhabited a vast area of Eurasian steppe and spanning the foothills of Carpathian mountains. You can see in the image SAIGA antelope. Barbados thread snake. It is the smallest snake species, right? Found on Caribbean islands of Barbados and Anguilla. So friends, to get all monthly environment and ecology news foundation books, you can get it free on Bygrayps website.